is Bruno, I'm a chef at London LEYF Foundation, and today we're gonna do lamb cowboys. Why lamb cowboys? Because children like beans, different variety. They like baked beans because they're sweet, and they like minced beef or minced lamb, and all the vegetables are cut small. So for them it's easy to pick them up with the spoon, and they enjoy the color. This dish is very good in cooking with potatoes or couscous, and today I'm gonna use potatoes. Ingredients include 1 tablespoon of oil, 250 grams of lean lamb beans, 1 medium onion, diced small, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 carrots, 2 celery sticks, 1 courgette, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tin of mixed beans, 1 tin of baked beans, 125 ml of stock, vegetable stock or lamb stock. Right, let's heat the oil first, and then we're gonna brown in the meat for about 8-10 minutes. Now, if the meat contains about 10-15% more fat, then you don't really need to use the oil. Once the meat is done, we're gonna add the onion and the garlic, and we're gonna cook it approximately for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add the diced carrots and courgette and the leeks. Right, now we're gonna add the diced carrots, courgette, leeks or celery, and we're gonna cook about for 5 minutes. Right, now you're gonna add the tomato puree, and you're gonna cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes. And with the onion, that is what's gonna give the strong flavor that you need. Now add all the remaining ingredients and mix well. Now bring it to the boil, and then reduce the heat and simmer for about 30-40 minutes. Now, it's important that you stir occasionally, so the sauce is gonna get thick and it doesn't stick.